My name is Vasanti Chitalkar. I am student of Vishwakarma University. Today I am discuss about introduction, application and features of Python. Let's first introduction. Python is a high-level, interpreted, interactive and object-oriented programming language. Today Python is the trendiest programming language. Python is a popular programming language because it provides more reliability of code, clean syntax of code, advanced language features, scalability of code, portability of code, support object-oriented programming, and broad standard library. Let's see the application of Python programming. Google's App Engine Web Development Framework uses Python as an application language. Maya, a powerful integrated 3D modeling and animation system, provides a Python scripting API. Linux widely news published by using a web application written in Python programming. Google make extensive use of Python in its web search system. The popular YouTube video sharing services is largely written in Python programming. The NSA National Security Agency uses a Python programming for cryptography and intelligence analytics. Let's see the features of Python. First, free and open source. Python is a programming language freely available at the official website. One can download and install it by clicking on the following link. Download Python. Python, being an open source programming language, allows users to access its source code available to the public. This source code can be downloaded for use as well as sharing purpose, allowing users to contribute to the Python community for around the world. Second, easy to learn and code. Python is a high level programming language that is quite easier to learn when compared to other programming languages like C, Java, C Sharp, JavaScript, etc. Python offers a clean and simple syntax similar to plain English, making it easy for beginners to comprehend and write programs quickly. Next, third, easy to read. As we discussed earlier, Python is an extensive language with quite straightforward syntax. The chunk of code in Python are structured using the indentation, making it expansional programming language when compared to other programming language like C++ or Java. For object-oriented language, Python offers support for the object-oriented program, a programming approach where software system is designed and developed with the help of objects, which are basically blueprint known as classes that define data known as attributes and behavior known as methods, allowing developers to organize code in a well-structured format. Fifth, cross platform capability. Python is also a portable language that can be run on different operating systems like Windows, Mac OS, Linux, Unix without any modification. These features of Python allows programmers to write and run any of its script on any platform without the need to change anything. Sixth, interpreted language. Python is an interpreted language as it runs code line by line rather than compiling the complete code into machine code before execution. At first, Python interpreter reads the Python source code and converts it into an immediate form called bytecode. This bytecode is often executed by the Python virtual machine. 7. Dynamically typed language. Python is also a dynamically typed language, allowing Python to figure out the variable type int, double, long, etc. automatically at the runtime without the need of declaring them manually. 8. High level language. Python is a high level language. This feature allows programmers to mainly focus on solving programs rather than dealing with the hardware details like system architecture or memory. Thank you.